Hello, Tommy. Can I order the usual? Hello everyone and welcome back to Your Commandments. In today's video, we will make a Tommy's Margarita. What makes this margarita so special is the fact that it doesn't contain any orange liquor and that we search it out with agave syrup instead. In a cocktail shaker, add 60 ml of tequila. Today we use a blanco. Add 30 ml of agave syrup and squeeze the juice out of one whole lime. Add in 2 big ice cubes and get ready to shake. The original margarita never really got a spot in our home. And when we got a taste of this one, and we soon found out that it was not because of the tequila. Sometimes you just need to be experimental and open some new doors. And in one of our new doors, we found Tommy's Margarita. Prepare a chilled cocktail glass, load it with ice, and double strain the cocktail over it. And it's not more difficult than this to make something different to really enjoy a classic, but with a riff. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you guys in another video tomorrow. Bye!